Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette and also doing an eye look with it, as well as reviewing the megaglo Hello Halo in Rosy and Ready. I used this in my highlighter mixing video, but I've never actually used this. I purchased it so I'd have a few more liquid ones because I just don't have a lot of liquid highlighter, so I had to get a few new ones. So I'll be trying this out for the first time along with this palette. So here's the box. Here's this palette. It's very sparkly and pretty. And then you open it, and this is the colors. And there's a little brush that comes with it as well. They're all really natural and pretty and yeah, just natural. If you guys are interested in seeing the look I create and my review on this, continue watching. So I already did this eye, and now we're going to do this one. So first, I'm going to use Below, and I'm just going to base the whole eyelid with it. Next, I'm going to go in with Extra Bitter. I'm going to just blend that into my crease and kind of up to the brow. Alright, so that is the main base of it all. Next, I'm going to go with Look Out here. And I'm just going to put that just right in the crease, just dead center of it. I'm going to blend it to the inner part of my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with Instinct, this color, and I'm going to put it on my outer lid. Then I'm going to go in with Tinted, and that's going to go on the inner part of my lid. I'm just going to blend it in to Instinct. I'm going to go back in with Instinct. Then I'm going to go in with Lethal, and that's going to go in my crease as well. I love that. My fertile of cuteness. Back to what I was doing. Then I'm gonna go back in with Extra Bitter, blend all of that. Then I'm going to take Instinct again and put that under my lower lash line. I'm going to take Below and highlight with it, okay? I'm just putting a little bit through this front part here. Need to go a little darker with the orange. Athena, move your head. Okay, back at this again. For the 50th time. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit more of Lethal. And now I'm going to add some mascara to this eyeball. Alright, so that's the eye look. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Hello highlighter. To blend it out. So pretty and highlighty. We'll blend out this side. Next, we'll do the lips really quick. Just using London, then I'm using ColourPop Trap. Alrighty, so this is the final look. The Urban Decay palette, everything blends out really, really nicely. It all like is all smooth and pretty and looks really nice and natural together. I went a little extreme with the look just because you gotta be creative, right? If your eyelids are smaller, you don't have to blend up as high as I did. You can blend a lot lower and just not go up into the brow line if you don't want to. I just think it looks really pretty, so that's why. And then smoking it out a little bit underneath just helps the eye look wider. I really like this highlight. It's really pretty. You can see it really well. It's like just like the halo graphic, the white one that they made. I really like them both. They're very pretty and they go on nice. They blend out really fast and nice. You don't need a lot of it, which is awesome. And yeah, so that is my opinions on the products. The palette is $54 and the highlight is $5.99. And yep, I like them both. They look good, they blend out nice, and I'm about it. And there's not a lot of fallout, which is nice with this palette, because sometimes there is with palettes, and this one was really nice with that. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great rest of your guys' day. Bye!